Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche without pastry. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F, prepare a greased pie dish, and whisk eggs with 1 cup cream and seasonings. Fold in cooked fillings like spinach, bacon, or mushrooms, pour into the dish, and bake until the center is just set. Let the quiche rest before slicing to finish cooking gently and ensure clean slices. I'll walk through filling ideas that keep your crustless quiche flavorful and balanced. Start with a base like sautéed onions and garlic, then add 1 green, 1 protein, and 1 cheese for harmony. Keep fillings cooked and drained so the custard sets properly. Mix gently to distribute ingredients without breaking delicate pieces, and season thoughtfully with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for depth. Baking a crustless quiche is forgiving if you follow a few simple tips. Use an oven thermometer for accuracy, bake until the edges are set and the center has a gentle jiggle, then remove and rest on a rack. Resting helps the custard finish cooking and yields neater slices. If toppings brown too fast, tent with foil and always test with a knife near the center to confirm doneness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.